What's up, everybody? Hey, I decided to once again jump on the ChatGPT bandwagon, but this time I'm going to show how it can integrate with Excel, a true integration as a Excel add-in or plug-in, however you want to look at it. So right now I'm just going to kind of show you or prove that I'm actually calling the OpenAI ChatGPT API. Just asking what's the tallest building, and we're going to get the response back. All right, the Burj Khalifa. All right. So now I'm just going to do a couple little simple requests, Excel type requests. I'm not a big Excel user, so I don't know too many formulas, whatnot to verify. So I'm just doing something really simple. How to sum up some values in some cells. Now, if I had a table of some cars and some prices, I'm asking it to find a particular car, make, and model, and then it would do that. I've tested that, but you know, I'll probably do a full-length video, maybe this weekend, or you know what? Maybe I'll do a video on Outlook or Word or something like that. All right, peace.